Hello friends, tired of switching strategies and losing trades? Today, I'm going to show you one setup you need to master on Pocket Option. I'm going to walk you step by step through this strategy, show you live trades and explain exactly when to enter. If you stick with me for the next few minutes, you'll learn exactly how to master this setup and finally stop switching strategies that lose you money. This is not financial advice and the video is for educational purpose only. Okay, I'm waiting for this entry right here, and I'll explain to you why I drew this horizontal line and why I'm waiting for the market to get to this point. Okay, so the strategy is very simple. What we do, we identify a proper supply area in this point. Okay, so I've drawn this so that you can understand. So we have this engulfing red candlestick engulfing this green candlestick right here, and then the market continued moving downward, as you can see. And then at this point right here, we are creating higher highs, higher high, lower high. So the market is moving in an uptrend, and once we get to this point, we expect that the market will reject and keep on going down. So that's the same principle we use, and I'll show you some live examples. So starting with the one I'm about to take right now. So let's see how we apply this strategy. Okay, I just took my first trade, although the entry was a little bit bad. Okay, if it comes up, okay, no need to take multiple trades. I think it will still reject. So we have this supply area, as I have explained. We wait for the market to, okay, that was a win. We wait for the market to get to our supply area, and then we can take a trade. So this was a good example. So I was supposed to take the trade exactly at this point right here. Immediately it touched the horizontal line, but I was a bit late. So the other reason as to why I took the trade, we have this clear sharp uptrend. As you can see, the market was moving in an uptrend, and then getting to this resistance area right here, we created this double top. Then the market started moving down aggressively, and this was a retracement. And once we came back to this supply area, the sellers, I believe that the sellers were going to get back into the market so that they can continue pushing the market down. So that was our trade, and I hope you guys have understood why I took that trade. So let's look for another opportunity. Okay, I am not going to take this one and I'll tell you why. So okay, this is a good demand area, but if you look at the past of the market, you can see that the market is coming from a strong resistance area. So we have this resistance area right here. So the market hit this resistance area, and our demand area right here might not work. Okay, although it worked, it was not a very healthy trade. So we could have taken that, and the sellers will have kept on pushing the market downwards. So if you want to learn more and understand how and why I take each and every single trade, we have a course. So you can check my Telegram. The link is in the description. You can join our community, and I'm sure that you'll have a better understanding and a better understanding about this whole strategy. Okay, we might have an opportunity right here. I just took a trade with the buyers. So we have this supply area. I marked it with a horizontal line. Then as you can see, we have a very healthy uptrend, and the market is pushing up aggressively. We have this retracement right here. So I believe that the market wanted to retrace up to this point so that we can keep on going up. So let's see how this trade closes. So that was a win, guys. So make sure to like. If you gained any value from this video, make sure that you like, make sure to leave a comment, and make sure to subscribe to this channel. That gives me so much motivation to keep on making such videos. And also check out our Telegram, and the broker's link will be in the description as well. So I think this will be it for today.